Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to welcome to my new product. Welcome to this new product and traffic overload 2020. And in this video, I'm going to show you what is exactly this traffic overload 2020. And I have prepared some exclusive bonus related to this traffic overload 2020. And also I will go through the price and upsell as well. If this is you are interested in, please stay with me till the end of the video. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. So let's take a look what is the bonus for you, because this traffic is all about traffic, and I have some exclusive bonus for you if you have more traffic. This is not disclosed in this product. So let's take a look what I have exclusive bonus for you. Let's take a look my bonus page. Okay, the bonus number 1 is access to 2 minutes loophole for generating a consistent flow of buyer traffic from Facebook. This is also free traffic, and you can see Facebook is the number 1 social media platform, so can make use of this platform. Very useful. Bonus number 2 is the one-click fan inviter, Google Comment extension that allow you to mass invite all Facebook users who ever like your post and also like your page. If you have Facebook, why don't you create a fan page? This is free of charge. And also somebody become your Facebook fan, and you will have a more opportunity to talk to your fan and talk to your Facebook fan whatever you have a new post. And also this is also a free platform for you to talk to your customer as well. Is your potential customer. Bonus number 3 is link supercharge software. This is a powerful solution to generate more traffic, brand your domain, and maximize your commissions. Create super easy and super quick customer friendly redirect link. This is also a software to help you how to supercharge your to generate more traffic. Bonus number 4 is a full video training course, complete automation tool for Pinterest, starting generating traffic on autopilot using the Pin campaign web application. As we know about Pinterest, it's most of them are women. They are also have ready to buy the traffic. 90% is women. This is definitely you should tap into this potential market to huge potential customer. Bonus number 5 is the effective content marketing. Learn the same content marketing techniques that the post used to make more money easier. As we know, content is king. If you have provide variable content to your subscriber follower, they are more like and trust you. But how to do that? In this marketing chip, and a guy will teach you everything inside this. 6. Grow your path with live video. Drive more traffic and higher conversions with live streaming video. In this bonus, will teach you how to make use of this live streaming video to make profit. Bonus, the chatbot with revolution. Learn the secrets to saving instant amount of time and money by using the chatbot. I think users are familiar with it because this is a tool for anybody to inside Facebook to talk to their client. And also this is also you will how to discover for customer support, sales, market research, and much more. This is how you should make use of this tool for your marketing tools. You will uncover how to get more sales by e-commerce directly to your chatbot window. Excuse me. Bonus number 8 you will get a bonus library啦。get a Surefire Wealth Silver Membership 啦 for 1 year 嘅。You will get either 12 month Silver level membership 啦。Silver Share Wealth Silver level Pass membership 啦。You will get hundreds of products to download and offer as bonus in your promotion 啦。You will get latest 嘅 ebook 啦、software 啦、plugin 啦、audio and video 啦 and manage with giveaway 嘅。With many and giveaway resell 啦、master 啦、resell 啦、master 啦 and wise 啦 as one of the respected membership 啦 and you can as we know we want to build our email list we have to give away something for free. If you have outsourced to create a report or ebook in some outsource such Fiverr Upwork is a more high quality outsourced website, but it's just outsourced for one report and you just 10 pages is about almost $200 and $300. How you can afford to place and to outsource this report. So this is membership. You can grab this for 12 month silver membership. You can give it away and as a bonus to give away to build your list. So if you are still interested in my bonus, simply click the link below in the description. The first link is my bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, click this blue button and go through the sales page and buy the product, and you will get all my exclusive bonus and automatically inside the warriors before the countdown timer hit 0, and you will get all my exclusive bonus. So let's take a look what is the sales page what about. Traffic overload. Looking for more traffic in 2020. High quality traffic is get over result. The sales conversion rate is 7.5%. This is also 14 visitors. You will get 1 sale. This is also very powerful. This is he will teach you some basic concept is about the traffic. No traffic, that is no money. This is also we all know. If you no visitor come to your affiliate product or website, there's no matter how your affiliate product your service product is product and your website is profitable. This is no, you cannot guarantee you cannot make any money online. So this is my course teacher Brian Lee. He also this is also the truth is 95% online marketer struggle to make a full-time income because the main concept is focused on quality or not the quality. You can see you just over the 151 total click is just only 7. But if you have a high quality traffic result, you will sales conversion is much more. 40 visitor, you will get 1 sale. The conversion is much more. This is 7.5%. This is also so. This is also to introduce this traffic overload 2020. This is also his complete step-by-step the training course. He revealed how he regularly used organic traffic from social network platform to get free traffic and potential customer. This is because they are free and you can make use of social media platform. This is also completely free. If you have some generate some income from this, and you can pay it to scale up and make much faster in paid traffic. This is also limited complete system. They give you everything you need to make money. Test and trainings to work with many students. Success story. This is also get traffic bust for free using their insider method. So you can see what is the this is also included in YouTube forum, YouTube watch time forum get posting solo ads offline traffic method QR code. This is very unique. I don't know what this is. QR codes to drive traffic to your site. This is networking And also in 5 email traffic boost, the email list is still the king, and so you used it more than in 2020. And to pay or not to pay, let's give all the maps about pay traffic. The traffic you can scale. Get social traffic is more important than ever in 2020 as everyone goes social. This is also you can see the income proof, and you just 3 step. Just step one you can use the step by step training, and you can set up everything in less than 30 minutes. Activate your free traffic. Step 3, you will start making passive income, and that's get this for this special launch price. So let's take a look. What is the upsell? And the price? So come back to my bonus page to see what is the upsell and the price. So the front end, this is also the front end is just $9. You will come over YouTube, forum, guest posting, solo ad, offline method, and QR code just $8. This is no-brainer to help you how to drive more free traffic. Upsell number 1 is traffic overload for Pro. This is for Pro version, $80.17. This is on missing link. How to make them an offer, speed the world, amazing Kindle. I think it is also how to sell the Kindle books on Amazon. Amazon, you can sell. And I'm sorry, I'm making a mistake. And you can sell traffic overload 2020 Pro, and $18 or 17 cents. You will have our amazing Kindle. You will have to sell your Kindle book on Amazon. Everyone in your Amazon search what they are looking at. They are also a buyer to buy your Kindle book. So this is definitely you can grab this traffic. And also this is a very unique is give away traffic to build more traffic. Sound crazy, and they will show you how to do this in this module. Upsell number 2 is Pinterest affiliate hack, $29. And this is all about traffic hack for Pinterest. Traffic overload 2020. This is also to how to good market to not wasting your time. Find the good keywords. This is also how to maximize your monetize the method such as AdSense, Google AdSense, affiliate offer, and such how much you can do that. So if you are still interested in this product, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. Let's recap what you have. My exclusive bonus 2 minutes log home. Bonus number 2 is a 1-click fan inviter. Supercharged software. Bonus number 4 is a full video training how to use your Pinterest. Bonus number 5 is effective content marketing. Bonus number 6 is the grow your profits fast with live video. Bonus number 7 is the chatbot revolution. And the last bonus is get a Surefire Wealth Silver membership. You will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. Just click the first link below in the description. The first link is my bonus page to this offer and traffic overload 2020. Thanks for taking time to check out my traffic overload 2020 in my bonus. Don't forget, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your help. Thank you. See you later.